Welcome to Home Academy Brain Test 3. We are starting by this video. It's a very interesting and important math for academic test, job test and lots of competitive examination like Math Olympiad. Let's start. Here mentioned 90% people are not right to give the answer. Is it true? I think maximum people can get the answer. Here is mentioned what will be the missing number. I'm writing this one. Here mention 2, 6, 12, 20, then 30, then 42, then 56, then blank, and finally 90. So what will be the missing number? We don't know. So in this kinds of pattern or in this kinds of series, we have to find out the difference. It's very important. Two things we have to find out. If difference is similar, then this is the arithmetic progression, or ratio is similar, then geometric progression. Now let's think. 2 and 6, difference is 4, okay? Then 6 and 12, difference is what? 6 and 12 difference is 6. Then 20 minus 12 is a 8. Now look, it's a very interesting thing. 4, 6, 8, and I obviously say it should be 10, then it should be 12. Look, it's increased by 2. 4, 6, 8, then 10, then 12. It should be what? 14, right? Because 42 plus 14 equals to 56. So we can say next one difference should be 16. It means 56 plus 16, it will be 6 plus 6 is a 12, 2 carry 1, 5 plus 1 is a 6, 6 plus 1 is a 7. It means 72. So till our calculation, if right, the answer will be 72. But how about here is 16 we consider, then 72 to 90. Look, 72, our calculation 2 will be increased, it means 18, and surprising here is 2 plus 8 is a 10, it means 0, 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 is a 9, and here is 9. So our missing number is 72. Okay, so missing number what? 72. Okay, so 90% fail to answer. I hope 100% will make correct answer, right? So let me know my answer is correct or not. Write in the comments box. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel if you think this channel is helping you. We are trying to finish brain test number 3. If you interest, please see previous video of brain test 1 and 2. Thank you.